Hi there, it's Nikos here. I hope you're well, and like always, I'm here to find solutions for your problems in trading. Now, to start with, we don't need any charts, so today we get back to the charts later on. Right now, we don't need them. I prepared a slide for you to make it easier, so we can, I would say, we just start right away. First of all, I want to crush your disbeliefs and help you succeed for good. I'm always looking for new ways to help traders find solutions for their trading problems. It's like no matter what I do, often people they just can't break through. And most of the times it's not because things are too difficult, it's just there are some obstacles in their way. Some things they cannot overcome easily. Now, what I have done here for you, let me just show you on my slide. Forex traders' biggest obstacles are often those three things. There are more, but those are really like the core issues that people have. Part one, or point one. People often say trading is too risky and it's hard for me to learn, right? The second thing is, like, I don't have enough time to trade. I'm busy, I'm working, I don't want to sit in front of the charts, it's making me nervous. And the third biggest, let's say, obstacle would be, who is going to support me when I need help? Most training or trading programs, what they do, they offer like some videos, a PDF, and you study it, you sit down there, you open your demo account or whatever, and then you have questions and you're like, okay, now what? Should I send an email, wait for the reply? It takes forever. You get discouraged and you just look for something else. That's just how things happen, or how things are, and I want to change this for you for good. So what about if we get rid of all those big obstacles and problems that you have? So 3 big red X's, and say, okay, this is not there anymore. Yeah, if I could do this for you, would you go for it right now? So you can see this guy here asking you the question, right? Looking right at you and saying, okay, would you do it right now? Skeptical question, skeptical face. Now, would you? My question still to you. Would you go for it? If you wouldn't have those 3 issues, again, let me go back. Too risky, too hard to learn. If that wouldn't be there, okay, or I don't have enough time to trade, gone. Who will support me if I need help? So if that's not there, again, would you go for it now? That's my question to you. How would we do this? How would we achieve all this? That's why we created like what we call the Spartan Forex Fast Track program. It's about live training, live trading, video and PDF training as well. Because that looks or sounds a little bit boring, let me show you. My solution, hopefully, or the word hopefully is probably a bad word, my solution for your problems are step-by-step training and risk management indicators. I will go into detail, but we have tools, risk management indicators that you can use right away, so you don't have to worry about any kind of how much should I risk. Is it like easy for me to trade if I would just trade mini lots or micro lots? No, we have rules for money management, right? And those indicators, you can set the rules into those indicators, and then you don't have to worry anymore about the risk or about the targets, the stop size or whatever, right? I'll explain later on again. Now, trading strategies that need 10 minutes maximum a day. Like, what about you're really busy, you don't have time to trade, and you only want to spend 10 or 15 minutes after coming from work, or from, I don't know, whatever you have to do, and just spend like 10 minutes or 15 minutes looking at the charts and being able to take decisions to trade. Okay? And the third thing about, what about, remember the third issue people are having, like, about time, about, you know, support. What about nobody's there for me? So what we are going to give you is like 5 days a week, 2 times a day. That means London session and US session, live trading and training, Q&A, meaning you can ask every question, plus replays for 12 weeks. That means you now have like 5 days where we train you and we trade live together. Okay, you can ask all your questions. 2 sessions a day, like maybe you cannot make the morning session, you might be able to do the evening session, or you're not able to do any of those and you just watch the replays afterwards. Okay, and that for like 12 weeks, which is 3 months. Yeah, and I'm not good at math at all, but it is 3 months. So now, teaching all strategies on live charts and trade live with 2 coaches. You're going to have 2 coaches that we train personally. Those guys are my students. They had other jobs before. Now they are trading and they're training. They're helping me to teach you how to trade, and I totally trust them. They are not new to this. They know exactly what they're doing. Okay, and combined, this is point B here, over half a century of trading experience, like 50 years plus. I'm trading like 18 years. My partner Jeff is trading like 25 years, and those guys that are coaching you are trading like over 5 years already, both of them. Okay, that means a lot of experience, all for you. Again, point C, trading London and US session. The reason we do this is just because not everybody is located like in Europe or in the USA, so we have both sessions. And again, you cannot make it, it's all recorded for you. You can watch the replays when you get home later on. The next thing, I said it before, but I just wrote it down just to make sure. 4 times a week training for newbies and advanced traders, and 6 times a week live trading in combination with training and Q&A. That means we trade live when setups appear, okay, and we also send like alerts. We prepare for those trades together, and if the setups don't appear during the live sessions, you will be able to trade them afterwards. Okay, now everything is recorded and you watch whenever you like. When I say 4 times a week training, what we will do, if you're new to the system or even new to trading, we pick 2 days a week where we just focus on the whole system from scratch. For example, Monday morning and Monday evening, like London and US session, we're going to sit there and go over the whole system, the whole top-down approach on live charts. So you don't have to worry, even if you don't know anything. We do this like every week, twice, in the morning and in the evening. That means 4 times a week, just explaining the whole thing, which is not only good for newbies, but also really great reminder for the more experienced traders that know the system. But you know, let's go back to basics always helps to get things right? And during the other 3 days, we are not only trading, but also again doing the whole approach and checking for setup. So it's a good combination of live trading and training, so nobody gets behind. You know, it's like we focus on all of you guys. Risk and trade management indicators for the MetaTrader alone is worth like $300. The software we are using, we're giving to you, you can keep them forever. It's not like after the 12 weeks you have to give it back or something. You just keep this stuff. Those alone are worth $300. I just want to mention it, right? That makes the thing really, really worth something. And in order for you to understand the value of what you're going to get, I will give you a few numbers. So the next thing, you can take advantage of our coaches, as I said, live for over 15 hours a week. The value of this is like at least $1,500 a week. Like if I imagine, like if I remember, like my partner Jeff, for consulting, he took like $500 an hour. Or myself, I also like talk to people giving advice, or they ask me question about like setups, people that I didn't even know. They paid me like $200-300 just for like 15-20 minutes. Now if we take those numbers and would say our coaches are teaching you like 15 hours a week, and if we would say $100 an hour would be $1,500 a week, right? So in a month it's like $4,500, leave alone 3 months. And if you would take only, like, let's say, if that would be 15,000, we take only a third of that, it would be still a lot of money. It would be still a total value just for the coaching of $5,000. So nobody really does that. It's unique. I don't know anybody who does something like that, and you really want to take advantage of this, right? So my question to you, or before I get there, like, we are around for over 10 years, right? And we have students from over 70 countries, hundreds of members, which are now really, really great traders. And they make, like, I have students that went into money management. They manage like millions of dollars, and this is not a joke. They really do this, right? So my question to you right now, simple question, I have to explain. Now that you have the chance to get the results you are looking for, okay, would you be willing to invest in yourself and pay less than what you would pay for a fancy meal in a good restaurant to achieve your trading goals? Yeah, would you be willing to invest in yourself? Because that's what you do. You invest in yourself, pay less than what you would pay for a meal, okay, to achieve your trading goals. I wrote that down just to make sure I can actually read it to you, okay? And of course your answer is yes. Yes, I will. Of course you will, right? Now, how will we achieve this again? I make it really quick for you with our new Spartan Forex Fast Track program. It's a really super special offer for you, this program right away, for only not $597, which was the original price we planned to, you know, go with this, only $347. And I explained to you, I showed you the real value of this. So it's not easy to beat. And what our goal with this is, my goal is to make sure that you really achieve your goals in trading, without spending like thousands and thousands of dollars. All the details for this are below, so you can watch everything again and read all the details below. And I hope to see you in there so we can talk about everything. You can share always your own trades with the whole group, no problem. And you will learn a lot for sure. And really, really, I'm very confident that you will achieve your trading goals very, very soon, okay? So, thumbs up, see you soon, and bye for now. And yes, before I forget, please be fast before my partner Jeff is going to raise the price. See you soon.